Hi, let's talk about mindfulness in business and beyond, and about holding the unknown in your work, in your life, and business. Last week, there was an evening in which I cried. Not because something dramatic had happened, but because I felt the weight of something quieter: frustration, self doubt, and a sense that the business results I've been hoping for just weren't materializing. Despite my efforts, despite how much I care, it felt like things weren't working. I sat with that feeling for a while, allowing myself to acknowledge it. And then, almost gently, something shifted. I reminded myself that nothing is permanent, that I have had many clients before, and clearly I've already done something right in the past. That perhaps this moment isn't proof that I've failed, but simply a pause, a gap, a stretch of unknown. The next day on the train, I was reading a book called Mindfulness for Beginners by Kabat-Zinn. And it was funny how one concept really stood out to me: holding the unknown. And I thought, this is the real practice, isn't it? Not just in meditation, but in business, in careers, in life. The courage to not know. I'm no expert, but in mindfulness, we're taught to observe what's here without rushing to fix it, to breathe through discomfort, to allow emotions to rise and fall, to return gently to the present moment again and again and again. That same skill is essential when we're building something that matters to us, but we're not yet seeing the results. Whether it's a business, a career shift, a move abroad, or a new chapter in life, these are all acts of courage. And courage by nature involves uncertainty. I mean, it takes no bravery to walk a guaranteed path, but to stay true to your values, your vision, your sense of what feels right when the outcome isn't clear, that's a different kind of strength. So what happens when we can't hold the unknown?